Good evening and welcome back, dear students. So, this is our second class, right? So, for the last class, I hope it was really interesting for you guys. The class, the Meena story, or Gulmohar, or uska dost Nirmal. I think it was an exciting class, right? All right. And I was really, really happy with all of your work. I won't give appreciation or I won't give the replies in the group maybe, but I can really see your works all the time. I do keep a note of it. Don't worry, I always see your works. Please keep on sending your works because I won't give it today. I won't give the reply today, but at the end, I'll give you a critical appreciation on your work. Don't worry. So we'll move on with the chapter, right? So what we're doing is the whole ikai is about Meena and her story and the Gulmohar tree. Now here we have the famous date on which World Nature Day or World Plant Day is on June 5th, Vishwa Paryavaran Day, World Nature Day, okay, World Environment Day. So Vishwa Paryavaran Day is World Environment Day. Vishwa is World, Paryavaran is Environment Day, is on June 5th. Okay. So now it is the story about how the Gulmohar tree reached there and why all of this anniversary and birthday. You all remember, right? Why all of this anniversary and birthday and all came. It's an easy chapter. This is like a story, but there is conversations in the story. So it's gonna be easy. So for this class, I don't think you will have any works or activities because this is just the first part of the story. That is a bit of lengthy story. That's why I am only taking the story part. No exercises for this part. So we'll see. We'll just jump into the chapter. All right. So here is the first page. Okay. So this is the first page of your story. You can see that the picture of June 5, Vishwa Paryavaran Divas, the World Environment Day and all. You can see that there. Now I will concentrate on to the paragraphs. I'll just give you two small paragraphs as picture because you can see it more clearly. Alright. So here's your first paragraph. Okay. Janmadin. Okay, this is between Meena and her friends. Alright. Okay, so here I'll say जन्मदिन की बधाई हो गुलमोहर, निर्मल ने हंसकर कहा. ओके, मीना अब बताओ गुलमोहर का जन्मदिन क्यों मना रही हो, निर्मल ने पूछा. यह बेचारा पिछले रविवार को ही कटा जाने वाला था, मीना बोली. क्यों? Okay, so what I'll do is I'll read the whole paragraph for you, then I'll say the meanings. Rather than saying the whole story to once and for all, you won't understand that probably. So I'll just say the first paragraph and then the meanings and paragraph wise and meanings. Alright, so we'll just jump in. जन्मदिन की बधाई हो गुलमोहर, निर्मल ने हंसकर कहा. Okay, so जन्मदिन की बधाई हो. जन्मदिन, birthday, congratulations on your birthday. बधाई is congratulations on birthday. जन्मदिन is birthday. Ho Gulmohar. He's wishing the Gulmohar tree congratulations on his birthday. Nirmal ne haskar kaha. Nirmal said it by laughing. Okay. Nirmal ne haskar kaha. Hasna is to laugh. He just smiled and laughed and said, Janmadin ki badhai ho Gulmohar. Okay. Meena, अब बताओ गुलमोहर का जन्मदिन क्यों मना रही हो, निर्मल ने पूछा. After congratulating Gulmohar on the birthday, he asks a question. Nirmal asks that, Meena, ab batao. Meena, now say, Gulmohar ka janmadin kyun mana rahi ho? Why are you celebrating Gulmohar's birthday? Gulmohar ka janmadin kyun mana rahi ho? Kyun is why, mana rahi ho. Are you celebrating it? Manana is to celebrate or to make the occasion. Kyun mana rahi ho? Why are you celebrating? Gulmohar and Janmadin, all the other words, you know the meaning. I only say the new words. Nirmal ne pucha. Nirmal asked. So, Nirmal first says that, laughingly says that, Janmadin ho, congratulations on your birthday, dear Gulmohar. And then he asks Meena, now say, why are you celebrating Gulmohar's birthday? Okay. यह बेचारा पिछले रविवार को ही काटा जाने वाला था. So Meena says that ये बेचारा पिछले रविवार को ही काटा जाने वाला था. So this poor tree was going to get cut on the last Sunday. Ravivar is Sunday. ये बेचारा means this innocent, this poor, that's बेचारा means, you know, the innocent, this poor thing, we'll say, right? That's an expression. पिछले, last Sunday. रविवार पिछले रविवार is last Sunday. को ही काटा जाने वाला था. Was going to he cut, काटा जाने वाला था. Going to get cut, जाने वाला था, was going to get cut on last Sunday, just last Sunday. So Meena said that. क्यों? Now why? Okay, now I'll give you the next paragraph. So here's your next paragraph. Okay. क्योंकि now I'll read the whole paragraph. Okay. क्योंकि इस पर फूल नहीं आ रहे थे. First of all, 6 साल पहले घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया. हरी घास लगवाई, फूलों की क्यारियाँ लगवाई, अमरूद, आम और गुलमोहर के 2-2 पौधे लगवाए. एक में से लाल और दूसरे में से पीले रंग के फूल निकलने चाहिए थे. पेड़ लगने के कुछ साल बाद एक में से पीले रंग के फूल निकल आए, लेकिन इस पेड़ पर चौथे साल भी फूल नहीं आए. अच्छा, तो फिर निर्मल ने पूछा. Okay, so now we can go into the meanings. It is an easy meaning. Okay, so क्योंकि इस पर फूल नहीं आ रहे थे, 6 साल पहले घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया. So now she is saying the reasons why it was going to get cut. Okay, क्योंकि इस पर फूल नहीं आ रहे थे. The main reason is there was no flower coming on this gulmohar tree. You know the gulmohar flowers, they come in different colors. They're beautiful flowers. Okay, so क्योंकि, because इस पर, on this, फूल नहीं आ रहे थे. The flower was not coming, or the flower was not blooming. Okay, that's what the kavi meant here. 6 साल पहले घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया. ओके, 6 साल पहले, 6 years back, घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद, after the house, after the construction of the house के बाद माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया. My mom made the garden. बगीचा, like you all know is garden. So 6 साल पहले, before 6 years before, after the house was ready, तैयार was ready, घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद, after the house was ready, माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया. So my mother made the garden. हरी घास लगवाई. Okay, green grass was kept on it. फूलों की क्यारियाँ बनवाई. फूलों is flower, क्यारियाँ is flower beds. Okay, flower beds. She made flower beds. She made green grass. Okay, now into the details. अमरूद, आम और गुलमोहर के 2-2 पौधे लगवाए. Amrud is guava. We all know the guava, right? You all love guava juice and the fruit itself. Most of the guavas you remember, right? Its seeds get stuck in our teeth and stuff. Okay, Amrud, Aam is mangoes. Okay, और गुलमोहर के 2-2 पौधे लगवाए. And 2 plants of gulmohar. So Amrud, which were all the the plants, Amrud, Aam और गुलमोहर के 2-2 पौधे लगवाए. Two different plants was kept there. एक में से लाल और दूसरे में से पीले रंग के फूल निकलने चाहिए थे. So from one red flower and from the other one yellow flower had to come out. So एक में से लाल, from one red, और दूसरे में से, and from the second one पीले रंग, yellow colored के फूल निकलने चाहिए थे. Yellow colored fool had to come out. come out. चाहिए is had to. Okay, come out. निकलने चाहिए थे. So from one red colored flower and from the second one yellow colored flower had to come out. Had to. So it means that it didn't come out. पेड़ लगने के कुछ साल बाद एक में से पीले रंग के फूल निकल आए. लेकिन इस पेड़ पर चौथे साल भी फूल नहीं आए. ओके, पेड़ लगने के कुछ साल बाद, ओके, आफ्टर प्लांटिंग द ट्री, इवन आफ्टर सम इयर्स प्लांटिंग द ट्री, पेड़ लगने आफ्टर प्लांटिंग द ट्री कुछ साल बाद, आफ्टर सम इयर्स, एक में से पीले रंग के फूल निकल आए. फ्रॉम वन ट्री द येलो फ्लावर ट्रीज येलो फ्लावर्स केम आउट, निकल आए, लेकिन इस पेड़ पर चौथे साल भी फूल नहीं आए. So and in the other one where the red flower has to come, even after 4 years the red flower did not come. So in one tree after 1 year the yellow flowers came out, and in the other tree even after 4 years the yellow flower did not come out. लेकिन okay, so Nirmal now asks, अच्छा तो फिर Nirmal ने पूछा. Okay, now here you can see the whole page once again. Okay, yeah, now I'll read the whole page. जन्मदिन की बधाई हो गुलमोहर, निर्मल ने हंसकर कहा. मीना, अब बताओ गुलमोहर का जन्मदिन क्यों मना रही हो, निर्मल ने पूछा. यह बेचारा पिछले रविवार को ही काटा जाने वाला था, मीना बोली. क्यों? ओके, क्योंकि इस पर फूल नहीं आ रहे थे. 6 साल पहले घर तैयार हो जाने के बाद माँ ने बगीचा लगवाया, हरी घास लगवाई, फूलों की क्यारियाँ बनवाई, अमरूद, आम और गुलमोहर के 2-2 पौधे लगवाए. एक में से लाल और दूसरे में से पीले रंग के फूल निकलने चाहिए थे. पेड़ लगने के कुछ साल बाद एक में से पीले रंग के फूल निकल आए, लेकिन इस पेड़ पर चौथे साल भी फूल नहीं आए. अच्छी तो फिर, निर्मल ने पूछा. Now when I read this, you should have got those pictures. You should have seen, you could have got those image in your mind where the meanings. Okay, now I'll say the summary for the first one. So Nirmal congratulates Gulmohar on the birthday and asks why you celebrate the birthday, and the Meena replies it was going to get cut off on the last Sunday, and then Nirmal asks why. So Meena replies kyunki it doesn't have the flowers doesn't come out of this plant. Even after 4 years the flowers didn't come out, so the mother said to cut it off. Okay, now we'll move on to the second part.